Welcome to Makerspace's Week 5 build. For the challenge this week, we sort of had an open-ended challenge on what we could do. And for mine, I decided that I would do a ultrasonic measuring device. This would be with a couple of new components on the Arduino kit, from the Arduino kit. And this week the wiring was fairly complex, but as you can see on the screen here, the code was very simple. And I will post this to the blog as well, but you can see down here where it was uploaded correctly. Let's move over and take a look at the circuit really quick. So this is my circuit. Looks like a mass of wires, and the color codes are not what I'd like because I ran out of longer wires to go from one component to the other. But although it looks complicated, it's really not that bad. Over here we have the positive and negative for the ground, and it runs to this side to channel to power the channel on the breadboard on the right side, and then of course just a jumper from the right to the left to power the positive and negative on the left side. From there we come this is the ultrasonic measuring. From here we come to this, from positive to negative, to power that. Down here we have a couple of positive and negatives that power the LCD, and these run through this variable resistor. This is the same one I had problems with in my first, the very first or second build that we did, and it's no difference this time. As you can see, the resistor is just to show how bright or dim the LCD screen is going to be. So I'm going to touch here, and if I turn this, you can see that the LCD screen goes either off or dim, or I can make it brighter. And it's kind of finicky in that if I touch it just the right way, the circuit will come on the way it's supposed to, and if I mess with it, it won't. And you can see that it'll measure right there, and it'll show the measurement. It's about 60 centimeters, 24 inches is what the box is away. I had measured it at 2 feet. So these are the cables, the pin in and outs that come over to the LCD screen in order to display. As you can see on the blog, the circuit, the program to drive this circuit is very simple. So it was a lot more difficult to wire everything than the actual coding was on this week. Anyway, so that's my week 5 challenge. I'm hoping you're enjoying this as much as I am, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.